Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to log out of your CMC Markets demo account on TradingView. Just follow these steps so you can easily remove the demo connection and switch to another account. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Log in with your account. Once you're on the home page, go to Products, then click on Super Charts. Inside the chart screen, look at the bottom and click on CMC Markets. For this example, I'll use paper trading, but don't worry. The process is exactly the same for CMC Markets. Next, click on the account name. For example, paper trading. From the options, select Log Out. On your end, it will say Log Out CMC Markets. Once you log out, your demo account will be completely disconnected from TradingView. And that's it. Once you follow these steps, you can easily remove your CMC Markets demo account from TradingView anytime.